Okay guys, welcome back to another video. A Jurassic fan here. A little bit of a different setup. It's a little bit of a better setup to do this kind of review. I know what's inside of this one. I checked, and it's the trike. These three are extremely rare McDonald's toys. First, let's check this one out though. So that's gonna be the trike. Ooh, this is actually cooler than I thought. They have a little booklet right here. I can't read that. It's in Russian, but there's a nice shot of the Triceratops, and then there's a little card that says Triceratops, and there's the Jurassic World logo right there. This might be backwards because of filming. I don't know. For me, the camera, it's showing it backwards to me right now. And these are all of them. Now, I'm only getting one. I'm only getting this one. And then I'm going to get one of these rare ones, like this one, this one, this one, this one. One of the rare ones. And get to what you're all actually wearing. Let's see the Jurassic logo right there. That wasn't as cool as I wanted it to be. There's some wrapping around it. That's nice. It's like headbutting everyone. It's sick. Can it headbutt? This. Or I want to get a better shot of this opening. Yeah, we gotta redo that. Oh, that was much better. Let's put this back on. Actually, no, let's take it out. Put this thing back on. So to start over here. This is one of the rare ones. Let's mix it up. I'm gonna go for this one. I'm not gonna look because there is the card and stuff inside. This could be anything. Ooh, it is the Brachiosaurus. Really nice one. It's like eating the plants or something. I feel like they're like at a metal concert, like something like that. Like pretty cool action feature. This one, I like this one over that one. I really like the Brachiosaurus. It's one of my favorite dinosaurs. Also really like the sculpt on these. They're cute. I'm moving the trike better over there. Was that good? Let's get a better shot, you know. I'm just gonna do this twice without, like, so you just get that cool reveal. Yeah, that was a lot better, see? Put that over there. Nice. This is the trike box. It's just one of these now. It's pretty much really Jurassic World time. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. Let's make that more over there. I still have no clue what this is, honestly. It is Baryonyx Chaos. Well, this is a different action feature. He's like looking around. He's like, what? What are y'all doing? Wait, but why is the action feature always moving heads for some reason? It's pretty cool. And wait, what? Oh my god, wait. I don't see any bullet holes on this. There's literally no bullet holes. And then again, let's get the way cooler version of the hatching thing. Let's put that on. Put this in the box. This one, I don't completely remember what it is. I feel like it's gonna be pretty rare though. We've been getting a lot of recipes being rare. Oh, it's the Sticky Moloch. He should really be destroying things. Let's go to destroy this over here. Yes. Yeah, baby. Anyway, yeah, let's do that way cooler hatching thing. Wow. Nice. Okay, now that we know what all of them are, I'm going to do a better in-depth kind of review. Start with the trike. Probably the most simple one. Just some headbutting action. I like this idea. It's very creative. I also really like that the sign thing. The action features are staying more like the same almost. So maybe next time they should do like some biting action, or the Sticky Moloch should do the thing like, actually, you know, it kind of works for the Sticky Moloch, but like maybe more like the Mattel action feature. In Grimm, this is probably the most creative one though, because it's fully posable, but it's also an action feature. It's a fully posable action feature. So I say they'd keep this, but make 3 more repaints of it. Because we need the trio. We only got Chaos. We need Grimm. Oh no, this is... No, this is Chaos. And then we need Grimm and Limbo. You know what? If you only have Grimm and Limbo, those Mattel figures, get the McDonald's figure. You probably have to come up to where I live, because, like, I heard that the Parasaurolophus was like $50 on eBay. So I must be pretty lucky to get this. But, also, you can do this as many times as you want. And, it's just fun. Like, you could get like, on Easter, like, you could just get a bunch of these and you find them and you're like, yeah, baby. It would be hard to do that for Easter, though. It would be an exciting Easter. It would also be an expensive Easter. This is also a pretty decent action feature form. I'll put it back in. Also, I like how every single dinosaur has a different egg. That's something really nice about them. Actually, wait, there's something I want to show you that I realized. So, all of them are doing the thing that Mattel kind of does. Like, you see that? There's the Jurassic World logo there. There's also a Jurassic World logo here. Here. And here. And now, put it back in. Okay, now, Brachiosaurus. The Brachiosaurus, I love the sculpt on this thing. It's great. I love it. I don't have much complaints on it at all. The only thing that I would do differently is maybe these at the bottom. just to make it look a little bit better. But everything else, I think this is a great figure. Okay, Stadium Unlock. This isn't completely in order, but Stadium Unlock, beautiful sculpt, wow. And I think, I don't know what the rarest one we got today is. Definitely one of those three. Maybe the Stadium Unlock, because I've seen a video with this figure in it. I may have not seen a Brachiosaurus in a video, but that's now. Just dropped it. But great sculpt. And it's like headbutting action, like poof, poof, poof. It's great for a Sigma Lock figure. I like it. Good job. Good job, Mattel. Did I just say good job, Mattel? McDonald's did. Jesus. Now I can't even close this. Also, where I got these, for some reason they didn't have the booklets, which is a little sad. No, great. It's chaos. It's chaos. Jesus, I keep on messing this up. The action feature is good. You can just put it like that, keep it there. Put it like that, keep it there. Put it like that, keep it there. Yeah, it's like, and he looks up and down. It's kind of like the thing that he did in the trailer. Like, it's like, it's like, yeah, that's kind of what he did in the trailer while they were scared. And for size comparison, I'll do a size comparison with the eggs. So hopefully you've seen this video review of this boy. Great figure, by the way. So the eggs are about this size compared to the Delta figure. So it's a pretty good thing. You would know if you watched this video that Delta is this size compared to Echo. So that you can basically tell what size this is by watching all my reviews. But yeah, thanks for watching. I can see it's almost 15 minutes, which is kind of the time limit on YouTube. Well, it's not the time limit. It's a lot more complex if it goes over 15 minutes. So bye.